If you love going on picnics, make sure to watch this video to the very end because us here at Ready Set Viral are going to give you some super easy picnic DIYs. Let's head right into it. Number 1, colorful lemon drinks. You're going to need 3 bowls, adding water to each of them. Using lemon slices, place them in each of the bowls once you've placed some food coloring inside of it. Once you're done, you can each have a jar with your name on it and use the colored lemons of your choosing to spice up your drink just a little bit. Number 2, DIY picnic basket. This is an amazing one if you have some luggage that you no longer use. You're first going to get some fabric of your choosing and place it over the luggage. Cut it to size and using some fabric glue, glue it to the luggage. Make sure to be cutting off the excess as you go and making sure to tuck all of the edges. Once you're done, you can plan out what you're bringing to your picnic, and using this plan, you can use some belts to have compartments for each of your items. For example, for our Tupperware containers, we're using this brown belt to glue to each side of the luggage and clip it in. All you have to do is loop it around your item and hot glue each side to make sure it stays secure. Number 3, quick and easy strawberry lemonade. You're first going to need about a cup of water and half a cup of sugar. Mix it all together and then add your favorite strawberry flavoring, whether that be our brand or Kool-Aid, whatever you'd like. Place it in a blender and blend it all together until it is smooth. Once you're done, you can place this into whatever cup you're bringing to your picnic and add some lemon slices as well. You have the perfect strawberry lemonade. Number 4, pizza picnic snacks. This is a fan favorite and especially good if you're with a bunch of friends. You're first going to need some pizza dough, your favorite pizza sauce, as well as cheese and pepperoni. First, place it in a rectangle shape and place all of the toppings on it. Use a piece of parchment paper to roll it into a cylinder form and then cut it into small pieces like so. Once you're done, fit them all into a cupcake pan and bake them in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 18 minutes. Once you're done, you'll have the perfect pizza snacks. Number 5, delicious dessert skewers. For this one, you're going to need some pancakes and fruits of your choosing, as well as some Nutella. You're first going to make some pancakes the way you regularly do, and using a bottle cap or a small circular cookie cutter, you're going to cut circles out of the pancakes. Then you're going to cover the pancakes in some Nutella and put them together like so. You can now build the perfect skewers however you'd like. We used some bananas, strawberries, and raspberries and placed them on different skewers. They're the perfect dessert. Anyways guys, we hope you liked these picnic DIYs. Let us know if you use them. That's all we have for you guys today. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you never miss out on a future video from us. Until we see you guys next time, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen and have a great rest of your day. Bye now!